Mini desktops are genuinely incredible, packing full computer power into a box that fits in your palm, saving desk space, power, and money. In 2026, they handle everything from everyday work to serious gaming. Whether you want Mac power, AI muscle, or gaming in a tiny box, I tested 5 of the best. Let's get into it. New to TechBee. We cover the tech and gear that actually matters. Honest reviews, real comparisons, no sponsored fluff. Hit subscribe right now so you never miss a video. We drop fresh content every single week and you'll want to be here for the next one. The Apple 2024 Mac Mini is the genuine best overall mini desktop, delivering astonishing power, efficiency, and value in Apple's genuinely tiny, beautifully built box. The standout is the genuinely powerful Apple M series chip, which delivers flagship-level performance for everything from everyday work to demanding creative tasks like video editing and coding, all while running genuinely cool, quiet, and incredibly power efficient, a real advantage. The genuinely compact premium aluminum design is remarkably small, yet feels beautifully built, taking up virtually no desk space. The macOS experience is genuinely smooth, polished, and secure, and the seamless integration with other Apple devices is unmatched. The excellent connectivity, including Thunderbolt, handles monitors, storage, and accessories, and the genuine value is exceptional for the performance you get. It runs genuinely silent, even under load. Apple's reputation for quality backs it. For anyone who wants the genuinely best overall mini desktop with flagship power, efficiency, and value in a premium tiny box, the Apple Mac Mini is the most powerful value, most well-rounded pick on this entire list. The Apple Mac Mini delivers flagship power, efficiency, and value in a genuinely tiny premium box, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Astonishing power, palm-sized. The GEEKOM A6 Max is the genuine AI-powered Windows flagship, a premium mini PC built around cutting-edge AI performance and serious power. The standout is the genuine high AI capability, powered by a latest generation processor with a dedicated NPU that delivers genuinely strong AI performance for the growing wave of AI-powered apps, features, and local AI tasks. A real future-proofing advantage. The powerful processor and generous RAM handle, genuinely demanding multitasking, content creation, and everyday work with ease. And the fast SSD storage delivers snappy, responsive performance. The genuinely compact design packs all this power into a tiny box that saves real desk space, and the extensive connectivity handles multiple monitors, fast storage, and accessories. The full Windows experience runs genuinely smooth and capable, and the premium build reflects GEEKOM's reputation for quality mini PCs. For anyone who wants a genuinely powerful AI-capable Windows mini PC flagship that's ready for the future, the GEEKOM A6 Max is the most AI-focused, most Windows flagship pick on this entire list. The GEEKOM A6 Max delivers powerful, AI-capable Windows performance in a premium mini PC, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. AI-ready power, tiny footprint. The ASUS NUC 15 Pro Plus is the genuine premium business and productivity pick, delivering refined power and reliability in the legendary NUC form factor, now backed by ASUS. The NUC line pioneered the premium mini PC, and the ASUS NUC 15 Pro Plus continues that legacy with a genuinely powerful latest generation processor that handles demanding productivity, multitasking, and professional work with ease, a real advantage for business and power users. The genuinely refined, compact, premium build quality feels business grade and reliable, and the extensive connectivity handles multiple monitors, fast storage, and accessories for a genuine professional workstation setup. The efficient performance runs genuinely cool and quiet, and the full Windows experience is smooth and capable. The genuine build quality and reliability reflect the NUC's premium heritage, now backed by ASUS's engineering, and it's often genuinely serviceable and upgradable. For professionals and power users who want a genuinely premium, reliable, powerful business mini PC in the legendary NUC form, the ASUS NUC 15 Pro Plus is the most premium business, most professional grade pick on this entire list. The ASUS NUC 15 Pro Plus delivers premium, reliable, powerful performance in the legendary NUC form, and the price in the description reflects that quality. Check the link below and grab it today. Premium NUC power, professionally done. The GEEKOM A6 is the genuine value performance pick, delivering strong AMD Ryzen power for everyday and productivity use at a genuinely accessible price. The standout is the genuine AMD Ryzen 76800H processor, which delivers strong multi-core performance and capable integrated graphics that genuinely handle everyday work, multitasking, media, and even light gaming smoothly, a real value advantage over pricier flagships. GEEKOM is renowned for delivering excellent mini PC value, and the A6 continues that with a genuinely capable, well-rounded machine at a friendly price. The generous RAM and fast SSD storage deliver genuinely snappy, responsive performance, and the compact design saves real desk space. The extensive connectivity handles multiple monitors, storage, and accessories, and the full Windows experience runs genuinely smooth. The solid build reflects GEEKOM's quality reputation, and the accessible price makes real mini PC power attainable. For anyone who wants genuinely strong AMD Ryzen performance for everyday and productivity use at an accessible price, the GEEKOM A6 is the most value-forward, most performance per dollar pick on this entire list. The GEEKOM A6 delivers strong AMD Ryzen performance for everyday use at a genuinely accessible price. And the deal in the description makes it an easy pick. Check the link below and grab it today. Real power, honest price. Closing out the list with the ASUS ROG NUC 2025. The genuine gaming powerhouse that packs genuine, serious gaming performance into a shockingly compact mini PC. The standout is the genuine, dedicated gaming-grade GPU and powerful processor, which deliver genuinely real capable gaming performance for modern AAA titles at good settings and frame rates, all in a tiny box that fits on a desk, a real advantage over the integrated graphics of typical mini PCs. As part of ASUS's renowned ROG gaming line, it's built for genuine gaming with advanced cooling that keeps performance strong under load, RGB lighting, and gaming-focused design. The powerful hardware also crushes genuine content creation and demanding productivity, and the fast RAM and SSD storage delivers snappy performance. The extensive connectivity handles multiple monitors and gaming peripherals, and the compact size saves real space. ASUS ROG's reputation for gaming quality backs it. For anyone who wants genuine, serious gaming performance in a shockingly compact mini PC, the ASUS ROG NUC is the most gaming-focused, most powerful compact pick on this entire list. The ASUS ROG NUC packs genuine, serious gaming performance into a shockingly compact mini PC, and the price in the description reflects that power. Check the link below and grab it today. Real gaming, palm-sized power. Almost done. And if this breakdown just helped you find the right mini desktop for your setup, do us one favor and hit that subscribe button. It takes 1 second and keeps us making honest content like this every week. We appreciate every one of you watching. All 5 links are in the description. Go check pricing, because these deals move fast. If this helped you find the right mini desktop, smash that like button and subscribe to TechBee for honest tech reviews every week. See you in the next one.